Hi guys, it's Lynn with Soft Squares. I have the ginger box. Let's open it. All right guys, I have my scissors. We're gonna break into this, and I'm not sure, today is June 3rd, if this is the July box, or sorry, the June box or the May box, because I can't keep things straight anymore with shipping. So let's see if this says the ginger box for June. Look at that. Modern Holiday Table Runner, red, white bang. Okay. Looks like a patriotic theme, which does not surprise me because the Independence Day is coming up. Modern Holiday Table Runners. This is cute. Do you see that? Here's, oops, it's upside down. Here's the different table runners that come in here. Sorry about the glare, guys. So there's like a lot in here. We have Valentine's hearts, spring tulips, July stars, Halloween bats, fall pumpkins, and Holiday Lane. And Holiday Lane is the little houses. Okay, here's our fabric. I haven't seen this one yet. Okay, so let's talk about this. Cluck Sew is who put this together. Talk about bang for your buck. You get 6 patterns this month instead of just one. This kit, the kit this month will make the July stars pattern. I'm thinking they're talking about this one. July stars. Okay, Red White Bang by Sandy Gervais is the fabric line. It encompasses all the best parts of summer. Okay, we're gonna change angles here. Can you see all this fun stuff? Let's look at these one at a time. I don't know what you'd call those. They look, oh, those are crochet balls, and the, yeah, it's all crochet. Croquet. You got the ball, the mallet, and the hoop. That's really cool. That's definitely a summertime thing. Okay, and then we have this one. And this one. Gotta have some paisley in there. Oh, this says talks about food, eggplants, jam, jungle, jumps, jugs. Oh look, each letter has its own line. Oh, I lied. Olives, onions, overalls, outdoors, pig, carrot, pancake. So it's in alphabetical order. Okay, and we have this one, cute little swirlies. This is adorable. This is like the pocket on your jeans. And how do I do this so you can see it? Unfortunately, we're showing that salvage edge, but look how cute. That's an old-fashioned swim suit. And then we have this. And guys, I'm still working on my cameras, and I know this is kind of a long angle, and I'm trying to get that remedied. So hopefully you'll be able to see closer up eventually. For now, I'm going to just lay these out and then bring them a little closer to the camera so you can see. We have watermelon, we have stars, we have boats. We've got the swimsuit in the blue. And then here's our flag. These are cute. They're different. And I like different. Let's see if I can get them up here. You know me, always trying to do too much. I give up. Okay, well, there we go. There's our really cute fabric. And we're going to make this pattern. Okay, here's an overview of the fabric and our pattern. Just keep adding. We also get the magic magnet wand. I've had these before, they're great. And I was looking for one just the other day, so this is perfect timing. We also get a mini wish bracelet. Look how cute this is. It says, tie this bracelet around your wrist, close your eyes and make a wish. When the string starts to fray, you know your wish is on its way. And she doesn't give retail prices on any of these. But we also get a lollipop, red, white, and blue. It's a real sucker. And then there is 1 yard of white fabric in here. So that gives you your background for this. All right, so I will put the link below if you're interested in looking into this box. There's another box coming, so check out the other videos. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment. Thank you. Bye-bye.